Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Firdousi. This Baitul Firdaus is my channel for you. And what is this? Bait is the house, Al-Firdaus of Firdaus, in the Firdaus. My name itself is like Dr. Firdousi, the residents of Firdaus. It is good to use sweet words, nice words for your name. And the people are keeping the name something very difficult and different these days. If someone has a baby newly born, he says, give me the name which no one has kept so far. Why is this speciality, man? Is this the seventh wonder of the world or eighth wonder of the world, something new? That you have got a newborn baby, a different name. And what kind of name? The names which have no meanings at all. No meanings at all. And if at all there are some meanings, only the musicality of the name. Why are you after that? You can't find a better name. So beautiful name, Abdullah, the servant of Allah. Instead of that one, you are keeping something like Dew, Mountain Dew. It's good that people didn't keep Pepsi Cola and 7-Up. Who knows? One day they will also start saying that. My dear people, name has got the value. Your name should be so motivated effect. It should remind the character or the greatness of the person you are called. If someone says Muhammad and they call me Muhammad, then suddenly the name of Muhammad creates the whole ambience of purity, soulful, nice, pleasant, like paradise. And I said Taj Firdousi, Taj, the resident of Firdaus. Who knows, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala might just feel that, oh my dear man, you being just a clay and a fist of clay and mud, and you want to call yourself Firdousi, resident? Go, take it. Because you wanted that and your name, you have already kept it. And people call the name Khalid bin Walid. Say that one. How? The names. Umar. Oh my God, the whole Islamic world, how it grew with the name of Umar radiallahu ta'ala. See, the names have got beautiful things. So, other than that, let me try to explain to you what's that important thing. The name has got meaning. Don't say what's in a name. A name has got a lot. A name gives you the look of that. The name shouldn't be so difficult that meanings are not easily found in the dictionary. This is what people have got, that bad habit. Keep the names which reflect the Islamic history. Bring that history back with your name. Musa, think of that, who went and said to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I want to see you, I want to see you. Manarni la tarni, la tarani. You can't see. Manarni la tarani. You can't see. See, he was demanding Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Look at how he's put the staff, strike his staff on water and the water. Remember the greatness Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to his people, his beloved Anbiya, Awliya Allah, Ashab-e Kareem. That's the one. And the best name, Abdullah, Abdurrahman, Abdurrahim, and mashallah we can even say Muhammad. How beautiful. Even if someone calls your name as Muhammad, and if someone says Muhammad, Look at, because of your name, that word Muhammad spread in air. It's beautiful thing. And imagine with this name, you can never even think of doing something wrong. Oh, my name is Muhammad. I can't cheat. My name is Muhammad. Otherwise, I will be ashamed of. Your name is Fatima. If the girl's name, if you are a girl and your name is Fatima, and you are just going with the makeup and everything and say Fatima, and if you look, this, what a shame to say that with makeup, with half naked clothes, and then Fatima, and you respond to that. Is it the reflection? The reflection is with fully covered clothes and a veil, headdress, veil. If someone says Fatima and if you turn say yes, people can see the purity on your face and hijab on your face and say, Wallah, this is Islam. That's tabligh. You are wearing your clothes, your name, your action is tabligh. Not taking the people into the gatherings of thousands and millions. Oh, this Islam and this. Don't speak. Show your action, what you are. Show your action, what you are. That's the belief. That's all very simple. That's how Islam teaches. You don't have to explain what Islam is. Put Islam in your actions, and your actions speak tabligh. You don't have to go and call someone, sit, have a cup of tea. I would like to tell you what Islam is. No. The way that you go, that you walk with your head down. And if a girl or a lady comes with respect, you put your gaze down. Your eyes. People will think, what kind of person? He is keeping his eyes down. When I was walking, whereas in the other places, whenever I walk, the lady thinks I'm so beautiful. They all look at like this, like hungry dogs and wolves, like this. And this man, the moment he saw, he put his down. Look at this. This is Islam. That's how you are teaching Islam. That's how you should be. So, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, show what Islam is by practicing in yourself. You don't need any gatherings to speak about the good characters of Islam. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. Ma'assalam.